You're not? Okay, because... Oh, you never heard of them? Because I have a fever and there's only one prescription, people. What is it? Anybody?
More cowbell.
More cowbell. That's right, that's right. Okay, so before we do the real song share, we're going to have a chance to warm up. This does not count. This is just for practice, okay? To kind of see what we're working with, all right? I'm just going to play something off the top of my head and see if you can find a beat to it, okay? So, here we go. All right. Sheri, rock the cowbell, don't be afraid. La, 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 wow. All right. Now that was pretty good. What's that? Doors. We can do some doors. We'll do some doors in a little bit. You know what? That's pretty good, but in the spirit of the skit, I could have used a little more cowbell. So I'm going to show you a technique that goes back to 1972, if I may. When you rock the cowbell, Sheri, you not have to hold it by the handle because that'll kind of tweak your fingers. So just kind of take it like that. Take the stick backwards, aim for the edge. You don't have to hit it very hard that way. And this will be your drum beat, okay? It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ba, 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 ba. Okay? All right, and when in doubt, just improvise because you can't hit a wrong note on a cowbell, so that's the good news. And if you feel like dancing, come on up and shake it. I want to start the band and talk to the drummer here. I'll be right back. All right, this is going to totally rock, and starring Sheri on the cowbell. This is going to be pretty good. This is going to be a lot of fun. We're making it work a little bit here. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. Go ahead, Sheri, see if you can copy that. was awesome, Bruce.